FIG stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. This is 7th of August and onwards. If we're just about to market open in 4 minutes, and Figma, especially now Figma, for me, it's pre-market is a bit lower, right? And this is what I was talking about. Like, if I see a double break beneath these lows, then I'm looking to take it further down. It's not going to be like an immediate sell side. More and mainly, I'm waiting for a double break to happen. That's why I have this waiting text here. Figma, I also have a few receipts in the Discord with 4 results, but again, still nothing crazy. It's just about being patient, you know, like, I'm not going to come out here and trying to promise the world, right, bro? For me, it's only a sell if there's a double break. That's it. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights daily, pro stock picks, click the first link in the description, get my free newsletter. Other than that, all this is pure noise, you know, pure noise. So stay tuned. And I'm also following other tickers on the right side here, so stay tuned.